Hello everyone, my name is Eugenie and I operate a consultancy business that specializes in coaching people who wish to improve their interview skills. Interviews can be stressful, but it is a necessary step, and being prepared and having the know-how will help increase your success rates. As a professional recruiter dealing with many employers in different industries, we are familiar with the requirements and standards employers are looking for. There are a few things most people will encounter during interviews. First, many people fail to verbally expand upon their real capabilities and provide the best description of themselves. Second, many interviewers feel that it is enough to just answer questions as presented without any elaboration. This is simply not enough, especially since you will most likely be competing with other people. You must figure out how to create an outstanding presentation of yourself. Candidates who complete our one-on-one interview workshops are able to exhibit more confidence and apply their newfound skills on a practical basis for interviews. The objective of the tailor-made workshop is to enable you to sell yourself effectively in any interview setting, which may include job interviews, promotion interviews, and school admission interviews. Through our one-on-one interview workshops, you will learn how to highlight key points about yourself and your career, presenting them in an interesting and convincing manner. We will also teach you how to handle challenging questions properly. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you wish to achieve success in interviews, please visit our website at www.invigen.com for more information.